Hello friends! Today we'll open the Lenovo ThinkPad X9-15 Gen 1. This is a high-end ultra-portable workstation, and you can read our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. We start by unscrewing 6 screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. We're using a Japanese industrial standard screwdriver, size number 1. The screws are fixed to the panel and don't come out completely, so we just need to make sure they're fully loosened. Next, using a thin plastic tool, we begin to unclip the bottom cover. If it feels stuck at any point, we carefully check if any screws are still tight. Once the bottom panel is removed, we can see the internal layout of the laptop. To remove the battery, we unscrew 7 screws. One of them is located in the center. This time we use a Japanese industrial standard screwdriver, size number 00. These screws stay attached to the battery itself, just like the screws on the bottom cover. After that, we disconnect the battery connector. The battery is an 80 watt-hour lithium-ion unit. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking as well. Finally, to remove the SSD, we first take off the protective shielding plate. Lenovo ThinkPad X9-15 Gen 1 has only one small M.2 slot for up to 2 TB PCI Express 4x4 drive. If you need to know everything about the ThinkPad X9-15, read our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video.